Today, let's have a reading practice using room in the house. Are you ready? Let's begin. Jane is in the kitchen. Jane is in the kitchen. Kitchen. Cha is in the closet. Cha is in the closet. Closet. Troy is in the study room. Troy is in the study room. Study room. Ria is in the laundry room. Ria is in the laundry room. Laundry room. Shane is in the bedroom. Shane is in the bedroom. Bedroom. Ted is in the yard. Ted is in the yard. Yard. John is in the bathroom. John is in the bathroom. Bathroom. Jay is in the dining room. Jay is in the dining room. Dining room. Steph is in the garage. Steph is in the garage. Garage. Max is in the attic. Max is in the attic. Attic. He is in the living room. He is in the living room. Living room. She is in the kitchen. She is in the kitchen. Kitchen. Karen is in the hall. Karen is in the hall. Hall. He is in the bathroom. He is in the bathroom. Bathroom. Carl is in the living room. Carl is in the living room. Living room. He is in the dining room. He is in the dining room. Dining room. She is in the bathroom. She is in the bathroom. Bathroom. She is in the laundry room. She is in the laundry room. Laundry room. He is in the study room. He is in the study room. Study room. She is in the closet. She is in the closet. Closet.